मजलिस के फ्लोर लीडर अकबरुद्दीन ओवैसी ने कांग्रेस हुकूमत से सीधे सवाल पूछे। व्हाइट पेपर पर मबाहिस में हिस्सा लेते हुए उन्होंने सवाल किया कि क्या कांग्रेस हुकूमत आज पेश किए गए आंकड़ों से पूरी तरह मुतमईन है। उन्होंने कहा कि यह कहना दुरुस्त नहीं है कि तेलंगाना दिवालिया हो गया है। उन्होंने हुकूमत से कहा कि वो व्हाइट पेपर में नंबरों के साथ रियासत में आने वाली सनतों को गलत सिग्नल ना भेजे।
मैं सियासतदान हूं जरूर, लेकिन मेरे सियासी मकासद, मेरे सियासी कामयाबियों से बढ़कर अगर कोई चीज है तो मेरे लिए मेरा मुल्क है, मेरी रियासत है और मेरे लिए मेरा तेलंगाना। मेरे मकासद, मेरी कामयाबी बाद में, मेरे तेलंगाना की कामयाबी सबसे पहले। मैं ये चाहता हूं दोज ऑन द ट्रेजरी बेंचेस एंड द अपोजिशन बेंचेस may have political scores to settle with one another, but this does not give a good message across the country, more so to those in residency Andhra Pradesh who were opposed to the formation of Telangana state. Sir, there were leaders such as Kiran Kumar Reddy who were claiming that the Telangana would be a failed state, financially bankrupt state, state steeped in darkness due to power crisis, state without drinking water, and state with no finances for payment of staff and salaries, sir. I was the member then in the Andhra Pradesh Legislative Assembly. I have seen with my own eyes and I am witness to it. A PowerPoint presentation was also made. तो मैं ये चाहूंगा कि there is a very thin line. Yes, as a politician we need to support and we need to protect our political interest. But at the same time, it's not just mine, it's the responsibility of all of us sitting here to first come forward and protect the interest of the state and see that the integrity and the credibility of state is not lost. But I'm saddened, sir, today when I see all these debate. I also understand why does the white paper talk about the resources spent in Telangana region in United Andhra Pradesh, sir. Sir, we may have political differences and divergent views of state finances, but let us not give the message that Telangana is not a viable state. Telangana is a viable state, sir. Let us make it loud and clear for the investors and the people coming here that the state is viable. You are welcome. Please come. We have power. We have water. We have lands. We want you to come and establish your industries, sir. Sir, the state has borrowed money and added to its debt, but the state has made progress and development in all sectors beside providing welfare to all the...
Raghuram Rajan garu kuda